Hi, this is Ryan at Wheel Tech. We have a wheel here that was brought to us to be redone. We're going to show you close-ups of it, but what this is a polished wheel, and you can kind of see how it's reflective. It's polished with a clear coat. Whoever had tried to finish this before had tried to use a light paint to blend it in, and in some cases this might work, but in this case it didn't. And also, you can tell right here where it looks all dirty and smudgy, parts of the paint are starting to come off now, and that because with acidic soap or even tire grease, tire dressing, which this wheel has a ton of. So anyway, we'll fix this up and show you what it looks like when we're done with it. Alright, here's the wheel, Cadillac wheel back on the car after we're finishing. Hopefully the video can show you the difference in the appearance and in the job. What we did will hopefully keep this wheel lasting a lot longer than the wheel was previous. As you saw before, those streaks that were in the old finish, that should not happen with what we've done this time. So, yeah.